In this video, I will guide you on how to see someone's recent following on Instagram. Keep in mind that Instagram does not officially show a list of recently followed accounts, but there are a few tricks you can use to estimate it. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Type in the username of the person you want to check. Then tap on their profile. Once you're on their profile, tap on the following option. This will show the list of accounts they follow. Now scroll through this list carefully. Pay attention to the accounts that appear at the top of the following list. Instagram often sorts this list based on interaction and relevance, not strictly by time, but people they recently followed may sometimes appear near the top. Accounts they interact with frequently also show up higher. So while it's not exact, this can give you a rough idea. Next, you want to check their activity for clues. Check their posts that they have recently liked, look at their tagged photos, and watch their story interactions or reply. These can sometimes reveal new accounts they have started engaging with recently. So while there is no official way on Instagram to see someone's exact recent following list in order, you can use these tricks. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.